How to fix the issue with HP keyboard not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with keyboard of HP laptop not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the device manager application in your laptop. Then after, in the keyboard category, simply choose the one keyboard which you are using right now. Then after, hover your cursor there and right click on it. Then choose the option of uninstall. After that, now you need to install the new keyboard driver for your laptop. So go to any of the web browser and in the URL box you need to type HP keyboard driver. Once you write this keyword and hit the enter icon, in the result at the top you will see the official website of HP support, clicking on which you will be able to download the suitable keyboard for your device. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with HP keyboard not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.